Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction. Yeah. Today, guys, we are here with Vybz Kartel. Send from my army for the dark again rhythm. Yes. So we just react to the Mavado. So singing. No, we're there with that one. That one was the answer, I believe. See him rhythm. Steven, pick up yourself. So, announcement. That song, are the only song when we react to twice on the channel. This song. I react to it already, and I have to do it again. Now, one different way. So, all the people ever know say, yo, what Gaza them say. All the people ever know say, yo, what Gaza them say. Jump in the comment section, please. Please. Like me say on the Mavado song, I want to tell me the two songs we have to react to. They have to be counteractions though. In the war, because there was so much song dropping in the war. You see me? So you have to tell me which song for react to. If it's not a counteraction, I will not do it. Have to be two songs. Mavado song and Kartel song. Vice versa. Kartel song and Mavado song. Now it's time for the Gully and Gaza fuck if we start. Properly. Let's jump in the one and hear with the teacher I go start with. So all the people that must say Bumbukla Gaza. All the people that must say Gaza. We have something. We have something. Ready.
Yo, 12 lane, lockdown right hard.
We have something to Bumbukla. All the people that know say nobody can't body up a Bumbukla. Ready.
And where the blood clot is, them want to warn me some sense to me army. Bullet a spread them like this in me yard. This is a fire, come a shot and go fire. Let's go again.
Jamaica's worst gamer.
Ready.
Yo, 12 lane, lockdown right hard. Gunshot from sun up till night.
We have something.
Yo, Jeffrey, we have something. And where the blood clot is,
yeah.
them want to warn me some sense to me army. Bullet a spread them like it's in me yaki. This the empire, come a shot and go fire. Mr. Palmer got.
Where were you when the warrior gone?
Want to warn me some sense to me army.
Where were you when the warrior gone?
Them like a it's in me yaki. Nothing between us, some this.
Tell me comment section which one did there.
Blue suit.
Ready.
One gunshot kill any man. The remittance that told me in a skeleton. Smith and Wesson never in a Jalepan. A pass with gun in a dispute of a second.
That time I wore it nice, I'm not telling no lie. You wore it nice that time, I'm not telling no lie.
Yo, Bradley.
Ready again. Oh, Buckler.
From sun up
till nightfall.
Yo, Jeffrey,
we have something again. We have something again.
And where the blood clot is, them want to warn me some sense to me army. Bullet a spread them like it's in me yaki. This the empire, cup a shot and go fire. Mr. Palmer got the rifle them.
All the people them not afraid of nobody. All the people them can defend themselves. All the bad girl ever know say you no girl can't top them in them blood clot back. All the girl ever know say them can defend themselves. When the Gaza girl them in the comment section. Ready.
One gunshot kill any man. The remittance that told me in a skeleton. Smith and Wesson never in a Jalepan. A pass with gun in a dispute of a second. That can look in a head without a cat scan. You don't know me. Listen, super cat sound. That gun when me have the black me max man. Sing it. Pass it. Pull up.
Fuck around and find out.
From sun up till night.
Fuck around and find out.
Yo, Jeffrey, wet them up like a tsunami.
We are bringing back this Bumbukla clot.
And where the blood clot is,
yeah.
Them want to warn me some sense to me army. Bullet a spread them like it's in me yaki. This the empire, cup a shot and go fire.
If you're a Gaza fan, I don't like this yet. You're not a Gaza fan. If a Gaza you say, I don't like this, that video already. You're not a Gaza fan. Like you Bumbukla video and drop a sub. Ready now, man?
Blue suit and red silver khaki. One gunshot kill any man. The Remington that told me in a skeleton. Smith and Wesson ever in a 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 lepon. Papa spit skull in a spit of a second. That can look in a head without a cat scan. You don't know me? Listen super cat sound. That gun when we add up, Mac the Matsman. Sling it as a cricket up in a batsman. What's wrong? Them come with gang, but when this bang, them head fling from. Them make one pass move shot send them.
Level me. Bumbo clot. I must say we do things different over here, say no. Yes. If you're a true Gaza fan, you will know the whole of Gully sang them. If you're a true Gully fan, you will know the whole of Gaza sang them. Same way. You see me? Yes. If you know, you know. So I could jump in the road and break it down here now. Let's go. Let's go.
You know it's so dark again.
Let's go.
Yo, 12 lane. Black down white dog. Gunshot from sun up till night.
Obviously, it didn't mean dark again. So you must say, yo, 12 lane. You know, say we lock down Whitehall. Gunshot from sun up till nightfall. You want a gunshot at your brother.
Yo, Jeffrey, I wet them up like a tsunami.
And where the blood clot is, them want to war me some sense in me army.
Yo, Jeffrey, I blood clot. Jeffrey, big up yourself.
Jeffrey, I wet
Them up like a tsunami.
And where the blood clot is.
When him say Jeffrey, I've wet them up like a tsunami. Him not mean water, you know. Him not mean fluid. Him not mean liquid. No. Him mean binds. Him mean binds.
Jamaica's worst game. Jamaica's worst game.
Them want to war me some sense in me army. Bullet a spray them like it's in me yaki. This the empire.
Them want to war me some send for me army. Bullet a spray like Issey Miyake. If you don't know Issey Miyake, go check out the cologne. Go check out the perfume. Ready?
Where the blood clot is, them want to war me some sense in me army. Bullet a spray them like it's in me yaki. This the empire, couple shots I go fire. Mr. Palmer got the rifle, them was taller than palm tree.
If you diss the empire, gunshot I go fire. Mr. Palmer, Adija Palmer, Cartel. Have the rifle them taller than palm tree. Blood clot bind.
Want to war me some sense in me army. Bullet a spray them like a Issey Miyake. Nothing be clean as some disguise in a camouflage. Blue suit and red sea my car.
Ready?
One gunshot kill any man. The Remington that told me in a skeleton.
One. Yes, one. Gunshot kill any man. The Remington that turned him in a skeleton. Remington had a shot, you know. That turned him in a skeleton. Take off every flesh off him bone. No, bone off him flesh. Blood clot, me I eat that. I eat that. Yes!
Nothing be clean as some disguise in a camouflage. Blue suit and red sea my khaki. One gunshot kill any man. The Remington that turned him in a skeleton. Smith and Wesson ever in a 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 lepon. Papa spit skull in a spit of a second. That can look in.
Smith and Wesson ever in a 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐿𝐿 lepon. Remember say lepon teacher use. If you don't know, no. A lepon him use. So you must say Smith and Wesson ever in a 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿𝐿 lepon. Kappa split skull within a split of a second. Yeah, that tongue tie.
And that told me in a skeleton. Smith and Wesson ever in a 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐿𝐿 lepon. Papa spit skull in a spit of a second. That can look in a head without a cat scan. You don't know me? Listen super cat sound.
That can look in him head without a cat scan. You don't know me? Listen super cat song. I wish on a super cat song them there.
Spit skull in a spit of a second. That can look in a head without a cat scan. You don't know me? Listen super cat sound. That gun when we add up Mac the Matsman. Sling it.
Mount a gun when we done add up mad the maths man. So even if you're a mathematician, big word. That's kind of big word. Big word. Bumbleclot.
The cricketer, you know batsman. What's wrong? Them come with sound. That gun when we add up Mac the Matsman. Sling it. As the cricketer, you know batsman.
So I'm tell us yo flinging off a cricketer, flinging ball. Cricketers ball. They ball the ball. They don't fling it. Flinging off a cricketer, win a batsman. You see me? So left that. When I pan the whole heap of fling stone and pan them thing there. A gunshot, bang. That him a talk about.
What's wrong? Them come with gang, but when this bang, them head fling from. Them make one fast move shot, send it, them make them dead.
Listen lyrics. Listen lyrics.
I don't make the match man. Sing it, pass the cricket up, you know batsman. What's wrong? Them come with gang, but when this bang,
What's wrong? Them come with gang, but when this bang, them head fling from. Them neck. Yo.
Mac the matsman. Sing it, pass the cricket up, you know batsman. What's wrong? Them come with gang, but when this bang, them head fling from. Them make one fast move shot, send it, them make them dead.
Them make one fast move. Them, yo, hey. I don't want to take the warrior I'm simply in the dog. The warrior was one of the maddest one in the dance hall in the dog. Big up Bounty and Beanie. But the warrior, Jesus Christ.
Candies, white all everett, white piss themselves like child bedwet. You send shit.
Them Candice white halls, arrest. Them piss themselves like when child bed wet, like when kids piss bed.
Jamaica's worst game.
I suck your mother. I'm dead before this honor. Them want to warn me, so me sent in the army. Bullet that spread them like it's in me yaki. This the empire, cup a shot I go fire. Mr. Farmer got the rifle, them was taller than palm tree. Want to warn
Second
me,
verse.
so me sent in the army.
Second verse.
Them like a it's in me yaki. Nothing be clean, or something disguise in a camouflage. Blue suit and red sea, my khaki. No meeting from your this you get eaten. Stephen, no I'm gonna use these. So the
No meeting. No, have no meeting. You can't cry it over or piece it out. No meeting. From your this you get beaten. Stephen, none I'm gonna use diesel. Blood clot.
nothing be clean, or something disguise in a camouflage. Blue suit and red sea, my khaki. No meeting from your this you get eaten. Stephen, no I'm gonna use these. So do you even believe you're gonna link you for reason? Bullet.
So they even believe so we are gonna link you up for reason. They even believe so we are gonna throw in a white flag. That not gonna happen. No. The only thing I wave are them binds that we have in your blood clot. The only thing I wave now we have the white flag runner. That's what the teacher tell you.
From your this you get eaten. Stephen, no I'm gonna use these. So do you even believe you're gonna link you for reason? Bullet to skin like meat to meat season. Gaza.
Bullet to skin like meat to meat season. Bullet to your skin like meat to meat season. All purpose. Chicken season. Whatever season you want to use, that is the comparison we're going to use.
I'm gonna use these. So do you even believe you're gonna link you for reason? Bullet to skin like meat to meat season. Gaza, cool like winter. Me no response to the other blood clot 3 seasons. So
Gaza, cool like winter. We no response for the other blood clot 3 seasons. We no response for summer, spring, and autumn. Our winter we are dealing because it's cold over here. So that's how the G I tell you.
to skin like meat to meat season. Gaza, cool like winter. Me no response to the other blood clot 3 seasons. So tell me, sir, evil can evil. Me that's a pitching killing eagle. How you fit?
Tell me, sir, evil can evil. Me desert pitch him killing evil. What?
Things say you class it when you say 3 seasons. So tell me, sir, evil can evil. Me that's a pitching killing eagle. How you fit? Things say you class it when you say 6 pants. Mine of crank sharp pistons.
How you think a closet? Because you hear me say 6 pants? No, pants when no closet, no pants for real, brother. 6 pants, brother.
Killing eagle, how you fit things say you class it when you say 6 pants, mine of crank sharp pistons. Boy come a big ship at this land. Me no response, pick him up at a distance. Dad of the old pearl in his hands, but me own the guns and all the big bombs.
God have the whole world in his hands, but we run the guns and all the big bombs.
Jamaica's worst game.
Road. Yo, your road. Yo, let's go.
Pick him up at a distance. Dad of the old pearl in his hands, but me own the guns and all the big bombs. I know me started typical. Me never want no gorilla war.
I know me started typical. Big up yourself, typical. Yes, big up yourself. When you know what typical is, I'm going to do the research on the G.
Me some sense in the army. Bullet that spread them like it's in me yaki. This the empire, cup a shot I go fire. Mr. Farmer got the rifle, them were taller than palm tree. Want fi war me some sense in the army. some me disguise in a camouflage. Blue suit and red sea, my khaki.
I dare.
Yeah. One thing about I wanna do. Like me say, leave in the comment section the two songs them have to react to. It has to be two. It can't be one. So if you have a comment on Mavado song, you have to comment the reply from Kartel. If you have a comment on Kartel song, you have to comment the reply from Vybz. You understand? Yeah. Gully and Gaza segment today. Make it deal with it nice. You see me? Yes. Remember say, this is all fun and games, this music. So I don't want the fans them in the comment section and disrespect each other like on often they do. You understand? You want to tell each other about no mother and them parents. And if we go suck out, we not depend on that. All fun and games over here, so music we love, so music we do. Alright? Yes. Remember say the artists them now are neither. You see me? Yes. So this is just a revamp of the Clash. You understand? Yes. So big up on yourself. Yes, big up on yourself. Walk good, make sure you reach home safe, you know. Don't drink and drive. Alright, different thing that. Big up on yourself.
Jamaica's worst game.